Alright guys, just playing with a GoPro Session and the app on the phone. We're currently still on Highway 11, headed to Tirana. I believe we just went past... Where did we go past? Bracebridge? No. Yeah, Bracebridge. We just went past Bracebridge. And I just said to Gary, I said I should give this thing a whirl here and try it out. There's a cottage country we're coming into, of course. So Gravenhurst, 1 kilometer ahead here. The turnoff, that is. And we have to slow down to 80 from 110. So we got the Bethune Drive exit, Gravenhurst, Muskoka 169. See if the camera stays on the dash here on this corner.
No, it's not going to. It's not going to. It's not going to. I couldn't hold it. I didn't want to try, eh?
Alright, and it stayed for now. Alright, so here we are once again, just exiting out from the bypass. And once again, this is the Hero Session GoPro. It's set at 1080. So it really is 37, Barrie 76, Tirana 169K in that order. So it's a nifty little camera. It's a small little cube if you haven't seen it before. Once again, it's clouding over. You guys can see the cloud cover.
Traffic's picking up.
Yeah, traffic is starting to pick up here now, a little bit more. And it will as we get closer to Barrie. Things will start getting a little hairy in Barrie. That's when your neck gets its workout. Wild blueberries for sale. Sign says watch for slowing traffic as we go through a little village here. I'm sure you guys can see it in the camera where we went through. There's, you know, kayak rentals, all kinds of stuff going on. And we've got an Ultramar here, an Esso 146.9. The Ultramar is 146.9. And there's an old gas station, gutted. All these are gutted here. Everything on this right side. Well, a few on the left too.
I think they're going to do some expansion here.
Yeah, it looks like it. So there's Highway 11 North. Turn off.
To go around.
Yeah, to go around, of course.
I got a guy right on my ass.
And we got a guy right on our tail. Alright guys, just want to do a quick video here with the GoPro Hero Session Hero, whatever they're called. Little cube. So we'll see how that looks. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred of the 3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcraft and Outdoors. 7-3 guys.